There's no hard line where we want the paint separation to be here, so I tried drawing a chalk line in the rounded edge where the flares come out from the body, and it helped to create a guideline for the tape. This is 1/2 inch yellow 3M tape. It's a crepe paper material. It's got a little bit of stretch to it. I tried doing this with the orange tape and it was a big fail because the tape wants to get very wavy. This took a lot of time to do. These vids are sped up greatly. You need to be patient with something like this. Try and you will succeed. Doing a quality Monstaliner project is all about research and patience. We cut through the tape where the doors will open. GRRRRRR.